Big news. Another major XRP ETF has just been filed. In this video, we'll dive into what this means for XRP's price once these ETFs go live. Zach Rector recently broke down the market cap multiplier, and I'll explain exactly what that is and how these new products could skyrocket XRP's value in the near future. But that's not all. Stick around until the end for a fascinating conspiracy theory about how XRP could make its way into the United States Digital Reserve. I've been trading crypto successfully for over 380 days, consistently closing every month in profit. In the last 90 days alone, my followers have earned over $29,000 in profits by copying my trades. Want to see my verified stats? Click the first link in the profile description and start copying my trades for free today. Spoiler alert, the US might not even need to buy XRP for it to happen. You don't want to miss this. Big news today for XRP. Grayscale just filed for an XRP ETF. This is massive. By 2025, we're looking at 4 to 5 XRP ETFs potentially going live, which could be a game changer for XRP's future. Now, I know some of you are wondering, why is an ETF such a big deal? Does this mean XRP is a security? Let's clear that up. No. Putting XRP in an ETF doesn't make it a security. What it does do is open the door for a whole new wave of investors. Think about it. Just like Bitcoin ETFs made it easier for people to invest without worrying about custody or wallets, XRP ETFs will allow more people to get involved. A lot of money sits in retirement funds, and this move makes XRP way more accessible to that market. People already have their money in traditional brokerages, and the idea of moving it to a crypto exchange, buying cryptocurrency, and figuring out how to store it safely sounds like a headache. Most people just don't want to deal with the hassle. That's where crypto ETFs come in. They simplify everything, making it easy for anyone, even those new to cryptocurrency, to get a piece of the action. Grayscale is leading the charge, and it's a big deal. As a giant in the space, their move to file for an XRP ETF is putting serious pressure on competitors like BlackRock to act fast. If BlackRock drags its feet, they risk falling behind as others launch their ETFs and capture the market. The race is on, and ETFs are all about simplicity and scale. The one with the catchiest ticker and the most assets under management, AUM, will dominate. BlackRock can't afford to sit on the sidelines while others grab the spotlight with better, faster, XRP ETFs. I'm calling it now. The BlackRock XRP ETF is on its way. I predicted this a while back, and here's why. It's a domino effect. The moment one XRP ETF hits the market, a flood of others will follow. It's a race to claim the best ticker, build brand recognition, and attract as much XRP investment as possible, all in record time. What's even cooler, Grayscale is back in the game, filing for XRP products again. For those who've been around, you'll remember when they dissolved their XRP fund during the Ripple versus SEC drama. Now, watching them come full circle and reintroduce XRP products is nothing short of amazing. To me, this signals something loud and clear. For most people, the SEC case is old news. XRP is not a security. Sure, there are still loose ends between Ripple and the SEC, but the path forward is crystal clear. The future of XRP is here, and it's looking brighter than ever. This is a massive deal, and it's only the beginning. To back this up, check out this tweet from Eleanor. She's hearing that a wave of XRP ETF filings is on the way in the coming weeks. Big players like BlackRock are rumored to be lining up, and we're about to see financial giants diving into the XRP ETF space. But here's the real question. What happens to XRP's price when these ETFs go live? Early projections suggest a significant inflow of money, but how will that impact the price? Zach Rector dropped a video on this today, and it's already sparking a lot of buzz. He shares some interesting insights, and trust me, you'll want to hear what he has to say. Big XRP news today, folks. Grayscale has officially joined the race with its spot ETF filing, bringing us to 5 spot XRP ETFs now submitted. The SEC is expected to approve these later this year, and it's about to get real exciting. Why does this matter? Well, most of us aren't looking to buy XRP through an ETF. We'll go straight to the source. But for institutions, pension funds, and even your grandma, who might not listen to you but will trust her Wall Street broker, this is a total game changer. ETFs let them get exposure to XRP without the hassle of exchanges or self-custody. Just a quick, hey broker, add some of that XRP to my portfolio, and they're in. Here's where it gets even wilder. JP Morgan predicts $4 to $8 billion in inflows to XRP ETFs in year 1. But wait, Brad Garlinghouse just upped the ante. At XRP Community Day, He confidently said they'll blow past that 8 billion mark. Now, if these predictions hold and we see 8, 10, or even 50 billion flowing into XRP ETFs, the market impact could be massive. This isn't just a one-to-one inflow to market cap ratio. At those levels, we're talking about XRP jumping to $20, $30, or even higher. The market cap multiplier we're tracking isn't just one-to-one. It's a staggering 50x, 100x, even 200x. Let that sink in. If we see $8 billion or $10 billion flowing into XRP, we're talking about market cap growth in the hundreds of billions to trillions. Yes, that's trillions, with a T. This is what makes XRP ETFs so exciting. Zach is absolutely right. We're on the verge of seeing insane trading volumes, especially if concepts like an XRP strategic reserve or no capital gains tax on XRP gain traction. Stick around, we'll dive into those later. But what really sparks curiosity here is the market cap multiplier. Brad Garlinghouse predicts $10 billion could flow into XRP thanks to these ETFs. So what does that mean for XRP's price? Because let's be real, if these ETFs launch and the price doesn't budge, does it even matter? This chart right here is the key. It shows net inflows into XRP and how the price responded. The question isn't just about inflows, it's about how they amplify XRP's value. Here's something fascinating. On November 4th, 2024, XRP was trading at just 50 cents. Then, in just 1 month, it skyrocketed to $2.77, a jaw-dropping 5x increase. In that short period, XRP's market cap exploded by $120 billion. But here's the kicker. How much actual money flowed in to make that happen? Let's break it down. While XRP was on this incredible run, inflows green bars and outflows red bars were almost equal throughout most of the surge. Only in the final push did we see significant inflows. And when you crunch the numbers, it turns out that just $200 million in net inflows was enough to add $120 billion to XRP's market cap. Yes, you read that right. $200 million created $120 billion in value. Now, here's where it gets even more exciting. JP Morgan predicts that upcoming XRP ETFs could funnel $8 to $10 billion into the asset. If $200 million could drive $120 billion in market cap growth, imagine what $8 to $10 billion could do. We're talking hundreds of billions, maybe even trillions, added to XRP's market cap. The potential here is nothing short of mind-blowing. Imagine a scenario where XRP soars beyond $15. It's not as far-fetched as it sounds. History shows that even relatively small net inflows can skyrocket market caps by hundreds of billions. For instance, with a 5x increase in market cap on just $200 million, it's easy to envision a 2.70 XRP jumping to 15 or even 20, with a couple of $1 billion in ETF inflows. That's the kind of potential these ETFs bring to the table, and we're only talking about year one. Just like Bitcoin ETFs, these products tend to gain momentum over time, making numbers like 15 to 20 XRP far less unrealistic than some might think. When you crunch the numbers and consider market dynamics, those price points might already be baked in. One more thing to consider: the Ripple escrow. It's often dismissed by Bitcoin maximalists as a downside, claiming Ripple holds too much XRP. But they fail to ask the bigger question: why Ripple holds that XRP? It's a strategic reserve with enormous implications, often overlooked in conversations about XRP's value and potential. Something to chew on next time the debate between XRP and Bitcoin heats up. Here's a fascinating theory for you. What if Ripple has been playing the long game all along, knowing full well that major governments would eventually step in? Some believe Ripple may have been strategically holding XRP in escrow, not just for market stability, but to offer it as a kind of strategic reserve for large nations. Imagine this: Ripple strikes a deal with the US government, distributing XRP directly from their escrow without affecting market prices, giving the US an edge in global liquidity for the next-generation financial system. Sounds wild, right? But the more I think about it, the more plausible it seems. Ripple could position XRP as a unique, government-approved asset, ensuring the US has unparalleled liquidity when the new financial framework takes off. It's even possible this was a key negotiation point with policymakers, pitching XRP as a ready-made solution for the US to lead in this evolving global economy. If true, this could change everything. What do you think? Building a new financial network isn't just about innovation. It's about strengthening the ecosystem and strategically placing XRP at the heart of the financial world. It's a bold move, one that I think many are underestimating. Ripple has consistently stayed miles ahead of the industry, always playing the long game while others scramble to keep up. This could be yet another example of them seeing the future while others are stuck in the now. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you found this update insightful.